Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how you can convert your logo to a bitmap file format using Microsoft Paint. And this will be for FabriCAM. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the tutorial here. So now in the previous video we looked at converting your actual bitmap, your logo to a bitmap using GIMP, a free program. And in today we're going to be looking at Microsoft Paint. Now this is great if you do not own something like Photoshop, GIMP or CorelDRAW, something on that line, then you can always use the actual in-house one that comes with Windows. Now there's two ways we can go about this. First way is we can simply select your image, you right click it, and then we want to go to open with. So then you just go down the menu till you find open with, and then we look for paint. I'm going to try zooming here so you guys can see it better. Here we go, we've got paint. So you can just do that way, or another way, you click on your start bar and you simply start typing in paint, and then we open the app by clicking on it, and then we go to file, open, you navigate to where your logo is located, select it and say open, and this will throw it into your actual image. Now by default Microsoft Paint makes your background white if it was a PNG. In other words, PNG tends to have a transparent background, and yeah, if you have a background you want to make white, you're gonna have to unfortunately do that. If it's another color, you're gonna have to do it manually, but if it's a PNG with transparency, then it will automatically make it white for you. Now after this is done, you can simply go file, and then we're going to go save as, and then we have this option bitmap picture. So I'm just going to click on that, locate where I want it. So we've got the logo one. I'm just going to make this BMP, so we know it's sorry, not MBP, BMP, so we know that is the bitmap file. So save, and then any transparency will be lost. If you save this picture, do you want to continue? So okay, so our program only supports bitmap. Close there, and there you go. As you can see, we've got our bitmap file that is ready for use. Now there's a few other ways we can go about it, which we will cover in a few other videos. But before that, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.